guys, this is Allison Prior, and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner. I do techniques that are very simple and easy to follow in real time, so you can follow along with me. Hi! I even teach you how to draw a cat. Hi, I'm Allison Prior, and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner and for all levels. And today I want to show you my picks for the best art instruction books that I find are great for learning. And the very first book that I came across when I was learning first was the Bob Ross books. So number one, I found the Bob Ross books really helpful. They have step-by-step instructions, beautiful paintings, and they tell you all the colors and how to use your brushes. And I have three or four of those, and there's another one that I use. And I find that they are really helpful. They have beautiful paintings that you can paint and learn. And now these books you can buy on Amazon. I'll leave some links below. I have an Amazon shop. And you can also try some art crafts shops for books, or bookstores, even second-hand bookstores. You can buy some of these great books. I also like, which I found very helpful, was the Wilson Bickford book. I think he only has one book out right now, but he has beautiful paintings in this and very helpful instructions. So that's another one. Number two. And number three is Terry Harrison. Now he does watercolor, but he also does acrylics. He has books on acrylics, and his books are amazing. He has amazing paintings in them that you can follow along with. And he has great instructions, and I must say these books really helped me a lot over the years. And I have a big library of art books, and they've helped me learn how to use my brushes and how to mix paints. And I have several of his books also. Another one that I found very helpful, and all these books are, these people that I'm mentioning now are also on YouTube, and you can follow along with them on YouTube. They have videos to help you. And Jerry Yarnell has amazing videos and very helpful. He explains things really well, and he has some beautiful paintings also. So these books are amazing. This one is called Basics. I have this one, and I have this one. And you can see some of the paintings on the back here, what's in the book. Beautiful. And another one here that I found really helpful too was Brenda Harris. Brenda Harris has some books out on Amazon, and these are beautiful paintings in these too. She has great instructions, show you how to use your brushes and what paints she has used. And I have a couple by Brenda Harris. Another one that I have here is, now this is another one by Terry Harrison. See, I have a bunch. Another one here I have is by Claudia Nice. Claudia does amazing pen and ink in watercolors. She also has some acrylic ones also, I think. But her books are, this is a really nice hardcover book, and you can see, and they're all different, so you learn different things, right? You learn different things from each book, which is amazing. It'll certainly keep you busy. And if you have a library of these books, and when you're doing a painting, you can refer back to the books. Like say if you're trying to paint a flower, some flowers, you can look through the books and see what, you know, how they painted the flowers, how they teach you to do the flowers. Another book that I find is Lee Hammond. Lee Hammond does amazing paintings, and her books are great for instruction. And she She does amazing and different. Like I say, everything is different. All these books are different. It's not all the same, and you get all kinds of different instructions and different types of paints and really good information that you'll be able to use. So I find Lee Hammond, actually she even has portraits and flowers and all kinds of things. Another book that I find really good is Donna Dewberry. Donna Dewberry is great with flowers. She has the one-stroke paintings, and that's how I learned how to do my roses. And I found her book very, very helpful. Donna Dewberry, see? Beautiful. And she also has this other book out here too. This is Painting Fabulous Flowers. And she has beautiful flowers in a nice hardcover book. There we go. And she does beautiful, beautiful, different ways of doing flowers. See? And she'll explain everything to you and how to do your one-stroke painting. Also, what I find good is the Walter and Fraser books. Now, they have a ton of these books out. They're long and they're thin, but they have great pictures, and these books are great for if you're a little more experienced, I find, because they have step-by-step instructions, but I think you need a little more experience too. But these are great books. They have all kinds of animals, how to paint a horse. That helped me learn how to paint my horse. See? And there's tons, I got tons of these. I buy a lot of books, and I buy a lot of them on Amazon. These are all the Walter Fraser books. And they have landscapes and sunsets and still life and several different types of books for landscapes. They're beautiful. They have books on animals, and they have so many. I'm just so wrapped up in my books. I refer to them whenever I need help. Whenever I need help, I just go to my little library of books and I go through them, and sometimes I'll even get some great ideas for videos so I can teach you guys too, right? So they have oceans and lands, oil and acrylic. They also have like a colored pencil. Everything that you could ask for are in these books, and they're not that expensive actually. This is a nice one here too about portraits. Isn't that pretty? And discover techniques for approaching formal paintings. And that's the ones that I just showed you there are the ones that I like the most because I found them more helpful. I have a ton of other books in my library. I may show you some of those again too. And I'm also going to do a video on how you can get these books really cheap on Amazon. You don't have to pay the price that it shows on there. Like, say if you saw a book on there was $26, just say, I'm just making up a price. Well, then I'll show you how you can bring that price down to, I've got some of these books, most of them for less than $10, and that includes shipping, okay? I got some books for like a cent. I got some books for $2, $3, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how you can get these books really cheap. And that will be in my next video. So I just wanted to show you these books because I found them very, very helpful, and I wanted you to be able to see what you could buy, because I know you're trying to buy some art instruction books, but then you don't really know what to buy and you don't want to waste your money. And if you liked this video, then you can subscribe so you can get more free videos. And you can like, share if you could, if you think it could help other people. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section below. And you can email me at allisonprior@yahoo.com. So I'll see you in the next video.